Hi everybody, my name is Kannan Srinivas and I am here to train you how to create a simple website using this Pixel Perfect Builder. Okay, so from your backend, go to the Pixel Perfect Builder, click on that, enter. So when you come over here, you can see new website, my sites. Now this is that my site area. I have to go to new website. And now you can see a lot of templates, pre-defined, well-built templates here. You can edit any of these templates for your need. For training purpose, I'm using a blank page. I'm taking a blank page. And this is the blank layout that you always take for training purpose. Click on edit. So there is nothing in this. This is the blank template and nothing is there in it. So first of all, let me show you. You can see this area from this line to this one. This is called the header area. And after that, up to this much, this is called body area. And from this line to bottom, this is called footer area. The difference is whatever you put in this header area and in the footer area will be shown in each and every page of your website. Only the body area will change. So now let us begin. First of all, I want to save this. Okay, so now I have saved it. And to go ahead further, to create a website, I need some color combinations, color palettes, etc. For that, go to Google and type Canva color palette, and the first one you click on that, you will reach here. And to take my color palette, I have not this one, yeah, and taken random image, but in this image, I see a very good combination. You can take any image of your choice. I'm going to save this image. Saved it. Now I'm going to color palette generator. And I'm going to upload the image that I downloaded. This is the one. So from this image, this Canva color palette has taken best suited color codes here. So I'm keeping this. So like this, you can generate any color palette based on your choice, green, pink, whatever the case may be. You just need to upload one image. That's all. So this color code I am copying, and I want that color at this header area. So I just click on right click on appearance. This is the white one. Colors. Click, click. I just pasted, pressing Ctrl plus V. So I got the header. And now I want one logo here. So first of all, I will click on image. Okay. So now the image box came here. Right click there, change image. So if you have any images at your this area, it will display. If not, you can take anything you can upload. For time being, I'm using this one. Okay. So now what I feel is that this cheetah is going to left side. I want this to right side. I want to flip it. I just click on edit. Sorry, not that. Click on image. So I have a lot of options here to do anything that I need. I got flip. Okay. Fine. It's fine now. Click on that. Confirm. And now you can see a small white circle here at this area. Click on that and reduce. Okay. And if you want, you can rotate it. So you can see now it is at body area. And when I am taking that to the header area, that changes. You can say, feel the change. So I keep it here. This is my logo for the time being. And my site, I need some menu and etc. here. Before that, I'm going to save it. So for menu, this is my home page. I just make duplicate. Home copy 1. And I name it about us. About us. Like that, you can create any pages for what's called services or whatever the case you want. For one more, I'm making I'm taking one more duplicate and I make it services. Services. Okay, done. I want a heading here, some slogan or my site name. Click on here. I will click on text. I will take this H2, H1, anything you can take. This is my site name. I reduce the bits from here. I take that header. It is not visible, so I want to change the color. Okay, I will just double click. If you need, you can drag it. Okay, okay, done. If I want to make it a little more bigger, I don't know the spelling is right or no. Whatever the case, that's my heading. Now I want a menu. I will go here. I can see menus. A lot of menu structures I can see here. I can use anything. As of now, I am using this. Right click, edit menu items. So, home, about, service. Click on here at my pages. Home, about, service. Confirm, confirm. And I will extend it like this. You can use any menu structure, anything you can use. If you want, you can change also. Edit the appearance. If you want, you can change colors, menu spacing, horizontal spacing, item spacing. I want a little bit padding here. Okay. So that is set. And now, once again, I save. Don't forget to save each and every thing. And next, when you work on the body, I will always advise you to make one banner. You can take any type of banner. This is normal banner. If you want features and etc., you have already ready-built themes here. You come over here. My net is low, maybe I think, or the builder site maybe though. So like this, you can add anywhere. But for this purpose, I am taking this one. Here I want a big image. So taking good image, I will go to Google. Pixabay.com. And I will write for, I think I am typing wrong spelling. Cheeth. Okay. Wow, got a lot of images here. Style and ones. I like this one. I can pre-download it. I take some bigger one. This one I want to take. Downloads. Oh my god. Crosswalks. 1, 2, 3. Only that much I think. Okay, then download. This is a free site. You can download any free image and you can use in your website. I'm going to say here itself. And now again. So first time when we are keeping this image, we click here and took one image. But in this case, I want it as full image here at this area. Okay. So I want to right click here, appearance. I can see image. This will show us background image. Okay. In this image, I want to upload one image from here. I'll just upload. Yeah, these are my team members. Juhi is here. This is the cheetah. I'm uploading that. Voila. It is done. But I'm not able to see this face and etc. because just come down. Let us see how to fix it. Go to appearance, images. You can see settings. Go to settings. So you have a lot of options here like fix, accent, etc. So first of all, I will write. Say I want to make this to center. Got it. So now just taken to center. If I fix it, it will fix it. Original size, full auto adjust. It will come like this. Original size, it will come like this. I want full screen. So it like this. I fix it like this. So you can work around over that for the purpose. Now it is like this. Okay. So this is the effect that you are getting. And if you make this none, the image will also go like this. And if it is parallax, keep move like this. So for this time I make it fix. Okay. And if I want, I can increase the size of this frame. I can see a small circle here. I can drag it. So only thing what happens is that it is showing something repeat. Let me check once again what's happening. I don't know why it's happening like this because it's yeah, I should. Because this is our footer area, right? This is overlapping. So we want more space here, body space. So what we will do, we will click on this footer area and keep drag, 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 again drag, drag. So now your body area increased. Got it? So this is how you fix it. And now suppose if you want a booking, suppose it is a dangerous site or something, you want to create one form here. Well, go here. Click on your contact form. You have the forms here. If you want, you can increase the frequent elements and add more fields. Like if you want a text area, label, I want to make it not visible. Type your requirement, I made it. Confirm, confirm, it is here. And here also you can keep this line here, you can increase the size, decrease, anything you can do. And if you want to work around that, I will show you. Go to appearance, edit, the form field size it's showing, font size, etc. that you can change the form field style, background color. If you want, you can make it transparent, or if you want, you can make like this, or also you can go here, make it like this, and make it semi-transparent. Okay, placeholder color, you can make it more dark like this. Okay, border color, field spacing, that is the spacing between this, you can increase it, decrease it. Height you can increase, decrease. Border is placed now hidden if you want. Got it? So it became something like us here. One side only I want to push like this. So that also done. Style of button. Style of button. Size. Space in the top. Okay. Font tone. Red. This is the color. So as in same case, I want something. This, sir, I will pick a color from here. This is my color palette. I want to pick this color. I want to enter this color. Oh, sorry, this is border color. Leave it. We have button. I will change this list. I want this color. Click on button. Make a booking. So that is done. You can reposition it anywhere. Always don't forget to save. I'm checking where is that button appearance also. Okay. And I want to make it little bit lighter so that the transparent background comes. Label color is white, background hover. If you want to make some hover changes, you can add your color here. Button alignment, button border. So I want to make a button something like this. Suppose if I want so, I will remove the 60. I will change that to 0. I will change this to 0. I will change this to 0. But also I will keep this as 30 as before. So this is my form. Okay. Again, once again, I'm going to say that is done. So it goes it like here. So this part is over. So this, we have some more area here. So I want to reduce it a little bit like this. Okay. And suppose if I want something like this as my booking here, I will just make a copy. I can right click and copy here. I reduce it. Yeah, my cute cheetah. Yeah, done. So this is the way how you can set all these things. Now what's next? You just need to something else, right? Some features or importance or something like that. Go here. Click on banner again. You want to write some about us. Click here. Suppose if you want this, use this. It comes something like this. So you can see one button like this here, right? If you click at this button and put drag, it will come down clearly. Everything will come down. Okay. So you make it right here. Yeah. Okay. So if you make like this here, if you don't have a good look, the design is something like this. So we keep it like this somehow. This is better. And you can take this picture a little bit down. You can see like this because this is the content and this is a box. If you make this content move around, this moves separately. If you click on this box and move around, everything goes together. But if you click here and drag, everything under this, if any, will also go down. So this is about us. This is only an image. Let's keep it there. Oh, in about us, you can double click here, edit your content from here. Anything that you want, you can type and edit. And this image, if you want, you can change it. You can right click, change image. So what I will do, I will put some, we'll get some image, right? Wow. So I will take this and keep here. Yeah, this is my account. And I want to keep like this. Okay. If I want, I can increase the size. and I don't want anything here. So I'm going to reduce the total banner size up to this much. Got it? So this is now in footer, so banner came up to this area. Okay, and this footer, copy here, footer, right click, appearance, the same as we did in the top. But it's not changing. I don't know why. There is some bug here, I think. Yeah, that is fixed. So it's done. And now here I can enter my contact details and etc. And this is the footer. And if you want pricing or something like that, whatever you want, you can add from this area. And let me check one more. Okay, I will show one more thing to you. I will make one more banner here. This time I take this banner. For that I may need to extend my footer a little more. Yeah, yeah, this was the button I told. I can reduce the size of the footer or increase the size of the footer from here. This button. Got it? And now we take this up to this and we'll see how it fits at the top. Let it be. Okay, cool. And I'm going here. Click on, where is that? Where is that? Boxes and lines. Sorry, not boxes and lines. Text photo, banner, boxes, and boxes tab. You can see this tab, this tab, this tab, this tab, etc. So at this time of moment, I want to use this one, and I'm just clicking here and bringing that inside this banner. I want to enhance this, enhance like this. So now you may wonder what all this about. These are all tags, okay? Just right click first, click on configure. This is the name that you are seeing here. Click on edit. I want type Safari. Here I want adventure. Here I want honeymoon. Here I want trekking. I always make spelling mistake. Don't bother about that. What is the spelling of trekking, sir? I'm not getting it. Okay, fine. KKING. Trekking. And others I don't want, so I'm removing that. I want that much only. So I can remove it. Okay, if you want add tab, you can click on here and add tab. Effect, how the effect should go. Let's make slide. Slide right, left, whatever speed. Horizontal, okay. You can work around that. There is a lot of settings inside that. Okay, confirm. So the things change. And in this, see, this is under button, this is under button. So in this, if you want to change this image, you can change this image once again, as I told you before. No, I keep this image itself. Text box. I want this image here. I want this more big. There is some text. Let us remove that. And we'll make it like this. And I want a heading here. Small heading. Not the room. I just click text. I will add one next to. Okay, that is done. And as well, if I want the heading in my color column font like this, I will keep like this. Go here, select it, go, mark color, paste my color, and done. Yeah, this is what I want. Okay. So the content is here. Yeah. Like this, you can change here also, add here, you can do anything. Okay. It's my using video. Sources, if you want another video, you can insert video tab is here. Image, gallery, menu, banner. You can see audio and video. Click on that. You have video from YouTube, you can click from YouTube. Okay. And if you want to connect one YouTube, you just need to right click, configure, replace the link here. That's all. Click on save. So this is how it works. And again, yeah. So these are all the basic things that you have to do in a simple website. And also the same procedure. There is nothing else. You can dig around with each and every uh, menus elements here and work around. And here you have two options. You can have this configure, and if you click it here, you will get the inquiry as mail. And if you click at this area and configure, you can take this mail into the inquiry into your mailing boss autoresponder. For that, I have created another video, that email marketing system. In that, the second part, how to connect with mailing boss, you can see all these things. You can watch on that. So this is how you're creating a simple website. In footer area, if you want, you can do anything. Unlike one more, if you want to know about this pop-up. Okay, let me see, tell you what is pop-up. Click on this, click on pop-up, add a pop-up. When you do this, you have a lot of predefined themes and etc. will come here. So here in this case, since it is something related with travel, I want to make something. Anything you can choose. For typing, I am taking my plan. I took this one. So this is the pop-up. I can increase the size. This is separate one. You can bring the elements inside. Okay. You can change the content from here, as I told before. Now the pop-up is ready. And you can select the font appearance. Appearance is okay. Call to action is there. You can change color, everything as I told you, you can do. So now, this pop-up here, I set in home page. My configure, I can see configure pop-up. So I have to choose one pop-up. I'm taking this one. I'm taking this one. Enable pop-up. Pop-up with time. Exit, indent pop-up. End of page pop-up. Anything you can do. Make an exit. Or you can make it click. Whatever the case, you can set it. Okay. Oh, sorry. Forget to save it, I think. Confirm. Save. Save. So let's see preview. Good. Now second time it will not show because it's already cached. So when the person try to close it, it pops. That is serious. So this is the very good website that you have designed without having any technical knowledge on how to create a website. Okay. Add the content, you have this. This is how it works. And now you need to connect this menus. Okay. So in case of about, I'm showing you two styles. One is we have one about us here and you want to connect this menu. What you will do, click here and go to apps. You can see one app called Anchor. Okay. So this is your, click on edit, about, click it. And now in your menu, go to edit menu items. You can see, I think this is edit, or that's the name edit. The third one. At present, this is showing the page. I will drop down here. Sorry, I will go to get back, go to anchor and select about. Okay, confirm. Click on save. So in case of service, suppose you think that it is separate page. So you will have, for demonstration purpose only, I am doing this. So this is your service page. Service. Let's keep it here. And now let us see what's happening. When we preview. Home page, let us see. Home page is connected with service. Now it should go to home. Okay. Services page should go to services. You can say. Now let's go to preview. Got it? Click on service, it goes to another page service. So click on about us, take it to the exact area. So this is how you have to work around to create a website with Builderall. Pixel Perfect Builder I am using. There is another Cheetah Builder that will take one answer. So you now understood, you know how to create a menu, how to create logo, how to create text, how to create a contact form, how to create the content, how to edit the content, how to create a banner, how to change the image, how to create like this effects and like that. And if you go work around all these areas, you will get more and more ideas. And if you want, you can create gallery also. A lot of things. If you want social icons, you have social apps here. Yeah, you have all these things here. So everything you can do. And this is the way how you will create a website with Cheetah. If you have any doubt, be in touch with me, ask me. Please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that all the news, updates, everything will come to you. Hope you understand well. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.